M0FXB Hamtech, welcome to my channel, playing around with the DigiPi. You can download the image just here. You can see on the right hand side, you download that, become a patron, KM6LYW, that's Craig, and you can have fun here. I'm running all these different programs here with your DigiPi, and a very inexpensive way of enjoying your equipment. If you scroll down here, you can see the DigiPi on a Pi Zero. This one does have the audio board added, but if you've got a USB device like an ICOM 705, you don't have to have that board, but I think it'd be fun to have it for your older radios. And today I'm just tinkering with the fact that we can SSH. So mine's configured. This isn't a configuration video. I'm just learning how to log into the SSH. So what we're going to do is, remember, I'm learning. I'm not teaching. This is me learning. So I'm going to click shell here. We've already got the IP address, so we're already talking to our DigiPi, and the password to log in is pi and then raspberry. Okay, and we're in. Now what I actually wanted to do was see if I could change the initial configuration of when I set up my Pi, so I can change, really the main thing is the radio that I'm using. So I don't know how to do that. I've been watching some video and I did learn that I could type sudo remount enter, but it gives me this this message here, which I'm not really sure what that means. I've also learned that if you type ls enter, it lists all these items here. As you can see, quite a lot to take in there. Remember, I'm non-Linux, I'm just a novice having fun with this system, learning bits as I go along. So if someone tell me what they recommend I do. Now it shows up here Bluetooth for JS8 core .sh, so that's cool. If I type in JS8 call .sh, does that do anything? No. So someone teach me. But the thing I really need to know is, how can I edit my initial configuration? Please tell me the commands. I'm quite happy to find the commands, but because the software has been updated recently, some of the videos I'm watching are older videos. So I think that's it. The other command I learned, I don't know if this one will work, is sudo shut down. There goes my phone. Shut down space, looks like .r space 0. Let's just try it. No, so I'm not putting in the right spaces, but I'm like I said, I'm not a Linux person, but having fun learning this though. I definitely really recommend it. And watch this, I've got my ICOM 705 here at the moment, and if I just quickly hit, and I've been doing some TNC, but if I quickly select WSJT-X, if you've never used this before, you hit that and it turns it on, and the screen now says, you can't see it, but the screen now says WSJT-X. You've got a little green thing here. You can actually run this system without having the color screen, but the screen on the Raspberry Pi does say WSJT-X, and we just hit that, and this is an example of just one program that you can run. And look, I'm there doing WSJT-X. If I connect my antenna to my 705, then we'll select 40 meters. Antennas on. I know you can't see the radio, and then we're going to get it to TX. So enable. Needs a minute to receive as well. It's put the radio onto USB digital. Let's see if I can add in my radio. I think it'd be more fun if you could see that. So let me just see if I can add that in. There you go. And it's TXing away. Probably do with an external power supply. Only giving out 5 watts. SWR is not too bad, but can you see how quickly I went to that program? So let's just show you again. We'll go back to DigiPi. You're obviously on WSJT-X. We can turn on the TNC by clicking on. We'll turn off WSJT-X, and the Pi hat, which I'll try and put in shot for you if I can get it near enough to me. The screen changes as it, reinitializes. Let's just hit on for TNC. Now by default it normally comes on with that. Give that a minute. It's gone green now. And it now says DigiPi TNC. Change the frequency, so we tap the screen, go to 2 meters. I don't know if you can make it change frequency, but for now, we just put it there and wait for a message to come through. Now, the other day when I just pushed one of these buttons, it transmitted. So anyway, TNC iGate. Let's just press it. See if it does it again. Might get lucky. As you can tell, I'm brand new. I'm reading all the literature. There's a lot to take in, but I'm enjoying it, so I'm not complaining. So I think that's it for now. Should we just choose another one just to show you? It says standby. So at the bottom here, pat email, which to me looks like a wireless way of doing WinLink. AX call, definitely haven't done that. It says they connect to radio BBS. What's that? Pat email client. Let's say AX call. Oh, I need to. Oh, that looks quite sophisticated. So, well, it went to it, but I don't know what to do. Is there an AX call on the list here? So let's try another one. Let's do. I did the APRS web chat. That was good. Turn that on. And then once that's gone green, we can go to the web chat. You know, be patient. It's not working yet. Internal error. The server is overloaded. Fair enough. So probably because I'm running too many things here at the same time. Could turn off TNC. Maybe that'll help. Then we'll try it again. See it booting up there. TNC's still on. Let's turn that off. We might actually need that. I think we may need that, mightn't we? So yeah, I can see that I think we do need that. So we'll turn APRS chat back on. So the screen's telling you what you're doing all the time. Click web chat now, see if it works. Yep, no, or nearly. Okay, what else we got here? Refresh. System log, not used that yet. Wow. So now we can see what went wrong, I guess. If you're familiar with all this stuff. There's web chat there. Return. Telling us what went wrong, I would say. Could not convert string to float, so there you are, whatever that means. Try again. I don't think it's changed the IP address. Should actually work, really. Wrong frequency there. That's probably not what's causing the problem, but it's 144.800. Okay, at least we've got the right frequency now. Let's try again. It's okay. No, just me playing around. Rig control, slow scan, TV. Let's do FL Digi. So we'll turn this off and we'll hit in a second when the screen says. We'll do FL Digi. You can see the screen's now saying FL Digi, so we'll hit that. And there we are. FL Digi, as far as I can see, is used for decoding items like CW and RTTY. Never used it. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Having fun. 7-3, all the best.